In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chat box to your Shopify store. Having a chat box on your store is a great way to answer customer questions quickly and increase sales. And the good news is that it only takes a few minutes to set up. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home area where you can see your orders, products, and store overview. From here, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where you manage and add all the extra tools that extend what your store can do. On the Apps page, you'll see a section with suggestions from Shopify. Click on all recommended apps to open up the full list. This will bring you to a place where you can browse more options and, most importantly, access the Shopify App Store. Next, click on Shopify App Store. This will open the app marketplace in a new tab or window. Give it a second to load. At the top of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type in Chatbox. Then press Enter. This will bring up a list of chat-related apps that you can use on your store. From the search results, look for an app called Chatty AI Chatbot and Live Chat. When you see it, click on it to open the app's details page. Here you can quickly skim the description, features, and reviews if you like, just to confirm it fits your needs. When you're ready to add it, click on the Install button. Shopify may ask you to confirm that you want to install this app, and you'll see a list of permissions the app needs to work properly. Review those, then click Install again to approve. Once the app is installed, you'll be taken into its onboarding process. To actually make the chat box appear on your storefront, you need to embed the app in your theme. Look for the option that says Embed App to your theme, and then click Turn On next to it. This activates the chat box on your live store. After that, your chat box should be live, and you can customize its appearance and settings from